హాయ్ స్టూడెంట్స్, నేను మీ రాజేష్ దొంతుల. ఈరోజు మనం థర్డ్ చాప్టర్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 1 ఫోర్త్ ప్రాబ్లం చూద్దాం. విచ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫాలోయింగ్ పేర్స్ ఆఫ్ లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఆర్ కన్సిస్టెంట్ ఆర్ ఇన్కన్సిస్టెంట్? ఇఫ్ కన్సిస్టెంట్, obtain the solution graphically. Here 4 questions are there. First question, x plus y equals to 5, 2x plus 2y equals to 10. So here two pair of linear equations are there. First one, x plus y equals to 5, 2x plus 2y equal to 10. X plus y transposing LHS minus 5 equals to 0. Second one, 2x plus 2y plus 10 transposing LHS minus 10 equals to 0. So here a1 by a2, comparing a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a1 is 1, b1 is 1, c1 is minus 5. X means 1x, y means 1y. So a1 is 1, b1 is 1. Here a2 is 2, b2 is 2, c2 is minus 10. So a1 by a2, 1 by 2. b1 by b2, 1 by 2. c1 by c2, minus 5 by minus 10, that equals to 1 by 2. So here a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2. These lines are coincident to dependent or consistent lines. a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2. Okay, so ratios are equal, so these lines are consistent lines. In graph, in question asked, in case given lines are consistent, show the graphically. కాబట్టి మనం గ్రాఫ్లో చూపించాలి. దిస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ లైన్స్ హ్యావ్ ఇన్ఫైనైట్ మెనీ సొల్యూషన్. నౌ ఫస్ట్ వన్ అమ్మా, ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ వై మైనస్ 5 ఈక్వల్స్ టు 0. ట్రాన్స్పోజింగ్ మైనస్ వై 5 అండ్ ఎక్స్, minus 5 transposing RHS plus 5 plus x transposing RHS minus x. If take x value 0, 5 minus 0, 5. So y is 5. If take x value 5, 5 minus 5, 0. So y equal to 0. Next second situation, 2x plus 2y equals to 10. Transposing 2x to RHS. So 10 minus 2x. 2 is multiplying, transposing RHS divided by. So 10 minus 2x by 2. So first take x value 0, 2 into 0, 0, 10 minus 0, 10. 10 by 2, 5 amma. Next take x value 5, 2 5s 10, 10 minus 10, 0. So 0 by anything 0. So y value is 0. Here we observe that same coordinates come. 0 5 5 0, 0 5 5 0. Okay, now observe this on graph sheet. This is 0 comma 5 amma. This one is 5 comma 0. Both are same. Both are same means first line coordinates and second line coordinates both are same. So these lines are coincident lines. So this is x plus y equal to 5. This is 2x plus 2y equal to 10. So these lines are coincident lines. Okay, coincidence lines have many solutions. This type of lines are consistent lines. Next second one, x minus y equals to 8, 3x minus 3y equals to 16. X minus y equals to 8, 3x minus 3y equals to 16. So transposing 8 to LHS, plus 8 is minus 8. So x means 1x, y minus y means minus 1y. So here comparing x minus y minus 8 equals to 0 with a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0. a1 is 1, b1 is minus 1, c1 is minus 8. Second equation, 3x minus 3y equals to 16. 16 transposing LHS minus 16. 3x minus 3y minus 16 equal to 0. Comparing with a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. a2 is 3, b2 is minus 3, c2 is minus 16. Now find the ratios a1 by a2. a1 is 1, a2 is 3, so a1 by a2 is 1 by 3. Next b1 by b2. b1 is minus 1, b2 is minus 3, minus 1 by minus 3, minus minus cancel 1 by 3. Next c1 by c2. c1 is minus 8, c2 is minus 16. So c1 by c2 is minus 8 by minus 16, minus minus cancel 8 ones, so 8 twos. So here c1 by c2 different. a1 by a2 1 by 3, b1 by b2 1 by 3. So a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 is not equals to c1 by c2. This type of lines are parallel lines and inconsistent. Inconsistent lines have no solution. In question asked, only consistent lines show graphically. So this is not enough. Third one, 2x plus 1y minus 6 equals to 0, 4x minus 2y minus 4 equals to 0. Comparing these two equations, first equation comparing with a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, second equation comparing with a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. a1 is 2, b1 is 1, c1 is minus 6, a2 is 4, b2 is minus 2, c2 is minus 4. Now find the ratios a1 by a2. a1 is 2, a2 is 4. So 2 by 4, 2 ones, 2 2. So 1 by 2. b1 by b2. b1 is 1, b2 is minus 2. 1 by minus 2. So that equals to minus 1 by 2. c1 by c2. c1 is minus 6, c2 is minus 4. Minus 6 by minus 4, that equals to 3 by 2. Here we observe that a1 by a2 value 1 by 2, b1 by b2 is minus 1 by 2, c1 by c2 is 3 by 2. So all are not equal. a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2 is not equals to c1 by c2. So these lines are consistent lines. These lines have only one solution. Okay. So these lines are intersecting lines. So consistent lines shows graphically. Asked, consistent lines shows graphically. So first 2x plus y minus 6 equals to 0. Now place y on left hand side, remaining terms transposing right hand side. So minus 6 transposing RHS plus 6 plus 2x transposing RHS minus 2x. Now take first x value 0, 6 minus 2 into 0, 0. So y value is 6. Now take x value 2. 2 2's what 4. 6 minus 4, 2. So x is 2, y also 2. Next to second equation, 4x minus 2y minus 4 equals to 0. Okay, minus 2y transposing RHS plus 2y. That means 4x minus 4 equals to 2y. This one also write 2y equals to 4x minus 4. LHS equal to RHS, RHS equal to LHS. Now 2 is multiplying 2y, so transposing 2 to RHS divided by 4x minus 4 by 2. That means 4x by 2, 2x minus 4 by 2, 2. Now take x value 2. 2 2's what? 4. 4 minus 2, 2. Next take x value 3. 2 3 6. 6 minus 2, 4. Okay. We find the coordinates. Okay. This is the graph paper. The graph sheet 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. Already we find the coordinates 0, 6, 2, 2. This is a 0, 6 on the y-axis x values are 0. X values means abscissa is 0, ordinate is 6. So 0, 6. This is 0, 6. Second one is 2, 2. Okay, these 2 points join with the help of scale and pencil. So this is a 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0 line. This is 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. Next another coordinates 2, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. This is 2, 2. This is 3, 4. 3, 4. Now join these 2 points with the help of scale and pencil. Okay, this line is 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. These lines are intersect in this point. This point is 2 comma 2. Only one solution. That means x value 2, y value 2. 2, 2. X value 2, y value also 2. Okay, so this fourth one is a 2x minus 2y minus 2 equal to 0. 4x minus 4y minus 5 equals to 0. So here 2x minus 2y minus 2 equal to 0, comparing with a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. a1 value is 2, b1 value is minus 2, c1 value also minus 2. Next to 4x minus 4y minus 5 equal to 0, comparing with a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. a2 is 4, b2 is minus 4, c2 is minus 5. Now find the ratios of a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. First one, a1 by a2. 2 by 4. a1 is 2, b1 is 4. So 2 by 4. 2 ones, so 2 twos, 1 by 2. Next b1 by b2. b1 is minus 2, b2 is minus 4. Minus 2 by minus 4. Minus minus cancel, 2 ones, 2 2. So 1 by 2. Next c1 by c2. c1 is minus 2, c2 is minus 5. Minus 2 by minus 5. Minus minus cancel, 2 by 5. Here a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 is not equals to c1 by c2. So these lines are parallel lines. These lines are inconsistent lines. Inconsistent lines have no solution. In question asked, in case consistent lines, if given lines are consistent lines, show graphically. So but here we prove that these lines are inconsistent. Okay, thank you students.